Hi, this video is about family members in French. Let's go. Let's get this started. Mère means mother. Mère. Père means father. Père. Frère means brother. Frère. Brother. Sœur means sister. Sœur. Sister. Fils means son. Fils means son. Fille means daughter. Fille means daughter. Next one. Parent. Parent means parents. Parent. Épouse. Épouse means wife. Épouse. Mari. Mari means husband. Mari. Mari. Grand-mère. Grand-mère means grandmother. Grand-mère. Grand-père means grandfather. Grand-père. So père was father and mère, mother. Great, that's it. Next one. Aunt in French is tante. Tante. Tante means aunt. Uncle in French is oncle. 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 Oncle means uncle. Cousin in French has two different forms. Cousine means cousin but feminine, and cousin means cousin but masculine. So cousine and cousin. Next one. Grandson in French is petit-fils. Petit-fils. That's it. Great. Nephew in French is neveu. Neveu. Neveu means nephew. And niece in French is nièce. Nièce. That's it. Great. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification if you haven't done it. And there are some recommended videos on the end of the screen so you can watch them. See you.